Making a quick video. I was having problem with my Revo 1612 or 1216, whichever. I was getting this knocking sound. Here is some video for you to see. So I tried several things. One of the things, like I watch few videos and people talk about sending it back, getting new headstocks, getting new lathe and whatever. Then there was another video that talked about tying the set screws on the pulleys, and to me that it kind of made it go away, and then it came back, and then it occurred to me that as I was looking at it, that there was some disalignment between the two, and if this is tight and the one on the top was also tight, then I couldn't figure out what it was. And then it hit me that we grab from this side, right, every time that we put something on or off. And essentially what I did is I loosen up this two set screws here. I lock the lathe with the screws loose. I tie this knob and I tied the set screws again, and because I think that this develops a tiny, you won't feel it. I tried to feel it prior to doing that and I couldn't feel nothing, but I was able to actually turn it a bit, not a lot, just a little bit, but as you can see, it has made a huge difference. Well, huge difference. The knocking sound is gone, and my lathe runs through, and so I had this bad end here from making a box, so I turned it into that. Anyways, I hope that helped you. And yeah, you don't need to subscribe here, man. Everything is free. Nice to see you. Ciao, ciao.